My name is April. I'm one of the ZCA technicians here at Evolution Veterinary Specialists, and we are going to show you how to syringe feed using our friend Lucy, a chinchilla, who just recently had some dental.
I'm Melissa. I am also a ZCA technician here at EVS, and I'm going to be our little holder for April. So first, you're going to wrap little Lucy here in a little towel, kind of like a chinchilla burrito.
So this just kind of helps her feel safe, also helps her from running forward or backwards. That way it just makes everything else a little bit less stressful and easier to get to her. Okay, so I just made some Critical Care. It comes in a powder and you want to add, it's usually 2 parts water to 1 part powder, or until you get kind of a pudding-like consistency. And you always want to use a smaller syringe. For her size, she can probably get a lot more than what I'm going to do, but that's why I'm gonna load the syringe up a couple times. We never wanna give too much at once. They can accidentally inhale it and get aspiration pneumonia. So just slow and steady is the name of the game, just having some patience. So you're gonna go ahead and get some of your Critical Care in your syringe. It's kind of messy, but the nice thing is it washes out really easily. So we're gonna just go nice and gentle. And right where her bottom lip is, I'm just going to go into her mouth a little bit, and I'm not forcing. You can go a little bit into the cheek pouch, however you wanna do. But I'm gonna go in a little bit, and I'm just gonna do a little push on my syringe. And I'm gonna wait until she starts to chew and swallow, so she's not just holding it in her mouth, because they will do that as well. So I'm only doing about half a cc at a time of my syringe. So we're gonna go back in, give her a little bit more. Most animals, depending on them, actually don't mind this too much, or they like the flavor, especially if they're used to being handled.
Yeah.
And a lot of encouragement is good too. So petting, some loving, and you can see her there chewing away.
That's good, huh?
Yep. So I get a lot of different animals that come in, a lot of rabbits actually that will go through periods of their life where they're stressed. They could have other underlying diseases going on where they actually stop eating, which is a huge no-no for these animals, specifically rabbits, guinea pigs. They need to be eating every couple hours. So supplementing their nutrition is going to be a huge help for these guys. Very easy to do, and a great thing for any owner to have that knowledge of and be able to do at home. So Critical Care, Oxbow, if you go onto their website, they do have a lot of information about syringe feeding. Of course, before you do any type of supplemental care, please call your veterinarian. We have 2 lovely veterinarians here, Dr. Guardhouse and Dr. Bennett, and we'd be able to provide more information about that. But Oxbow Critical Care, really good product. We've used it for a long time. We like this specific one just because it's been around longer. There's a lot more clinical studies done on it. They do really seem to like the flavor. They offer a couple different flavors. We just know that our animal's gonna get the best nutrition that they need. Remember that syringe feeding is a skill that could make a huge benefit in the health of your pet. Let us know if you have any questions about your chinchilla in the comments below.